In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil on this Ram 1500. This happens to be in the 3.6 liter V6 engine. If you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com. Let's get into it. We're going to drain the engine oil. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath the oil pan using a 17mm wrench. Loosen up the drain plug. And pull the drain plug out. You can see the seal is on the end of the drain plug. Just take the seal off. And you want to replace that seal. Put the new seal on the drain plug. And put it back in the oil pan. And we'll torque that to 20 foot-pounds. That's good. And just take a rag and just wipe any excess oil. That's good. Using a 24mm socket, just take off the cap for the oil filter. Slide that out, and just grab the filter, slide that out, throw that away. Now we'll take the O-ring off the cap, just squeeze it, and then you can slide the O-ring right off, or you can use a pick. Take the new O-ring and just slide it over. Get it in the groove. That's good. And then you want to make sure you lubricate it with some oil. Get some fresh engine oil. Take the new filter, line it up, push it down, and then on the O-ring up top here, just put some engine oil. That's good. And I'll slide the cap in place. And start tightening it down. Just go slow. And with the torque wrench, we're going to torque that to 18 foot-pounds. That's good. Take that off. On the driver's side is the cap. You can see what type of oil to use on the cap. 5W30 for this one. Take the cap off. I'm just going to use a funnel. We're going to use that appropriate type of oil. And this vehicle takes a little less than 6 quarts. After you put the oil in, put the cap on, you want to start the engine for about 15 seconds, shut it off, wait about a minute, and then double check the oil level. Pull the dipstick out, wipe it with a rag, put the dipstick back in, pull it out again, double check the level, and it should be in between these hash marks. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and if you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com, and you can watch all those repair videos to help you with your installs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.